There's a case study over here which I would wish to cover over here. This is a standalone platform. This is not a LQ platform, and if you see, this is a room over here, and this is the length of the room. I think it's close to around 8 meters by 3 to 4 meters over here. This is the electrical room, and normally you would be wondered that this is a very small room, and even a window AC can do the job. But window AC is strictly forbidden in offshore applications because it doesn't create any pressurization. It works on simply the recirculation principle. So you must be wondering that what kind of HVAC system is proposed over here. So for this particular room to be air conditioned, it is preferred to have or considering the space requirement over here, the air cooled package unit is proposed for this particular room to supply the air, because it should create a pressurization also inside, and package unit can create a pressurization very effectively. So by means of supply air being supplied and require amount of pressure with the ducting arrangement and balancing, it can be achieved. Now let's see how it can be done, and that I have covered in subsequent slide, and you will explain that how it's been done and how it looks like. If you see, this is a typical arrangement. If you see, this is a package unit over here. There are two fans over here, a filter arrangement, and one fresh air intake is there with dampers and lot of controls. If you see inside the room also, there are a lot of controls. There are dampers, left, right, and center. There's a pressure lift damper, and there's a energen damper. What these dampers are all, I will cover up in some separate sections. But purpose of showing this case study is very simple, that for a small simple room, if you see, there's so much of controls over here, so much of controls, so many dampers are there, so much of ducting arrangement is there. No, so much of the footprint has been utilized to keep the room. So this is not as simple as it looks. The HVAC oil and gas sector, it is very complex. That's why I've shown it to you, that why it is so difficult. So you should understand that when I say oil and gas offshore sector, you will understand that I'm talking about a different animal over here. So this is how complex it is, and this all P and ID I will discuss in detail in when I tell you the details in the course I'm going to discuss. Case study we'll discuss one by one, and we'll check the calculations also how it is been done. So this is end of this slide, which can give you the basic idea of the system, of even the simplest system I've taken in consideration over here. This is what the package unit we are talking about over here. If you see the footprint over here, it is been combined. Of course, this is not a standard package unit. This is a customized package unit made by one of the vendors over here. I know the name, but this is not the right forum to tell the name. But this is what is a customized package unit to serve the purpose. The entire package unit is made up of stainless steel. Even the fans are also stainless steel. So all the components are the stainless steel components. The compressors are typical compressors, and these units are also bespoke units, which is designed and constructed as per the requirement of the that particular room. So these are the maintenance spaces provided. So this is how a customized unit looks like. So in offshore sector, one of the advantages that many of the clients, they provide customized solutions over here based to suit your requirement. Of course, costs goes for the same drastically high, but it meets the purpose.